Yeah, dude, this is just not working.
Yeah, but I've got an idea. Usually Austin uses these to light his cigarettes, but today we're gonna be lighting marshmallow.
Oh, yeah. Delicious.
Austin, how did that last marshmallow taste?
Like shit.
So we're gonna use an exhaust manifold.
Nope. Nope. Oh, yummy.
How's that one taste?
Delicious. That's fucking nasty, man. But for real?
That'd be pretty good right there.
Alright. That last marshmallow was pretty tasty, but I think it could be better.
I got an idea.
Oh yeah, nice and toasty.
It's pretty delicious to me.
Beautiful. Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
Beautiful. Thanks for the marshmallows, buddy. Those are pretty good.
Anything for you, pal. And with that, back to the studio.
Oh.
That's it's about 1,500 horsepower, and it's a straight machine, as some would say.
That last Marshall was Marshall.
Last Marshall.
I say that last.
You played too much Red Dead.
Sweet.
Behind the scenes.
All right, hold on. Yeah, behind the scenes. Here we are. Bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs. That might. Oh fuck.
Come on, man, we're running out of fuel.
I'm just gonna put enough for you to get the tip of it in there. All right.
That's what she
Where's
said.
the light? Where's the light?
Dude, that's what she
I have
said.
the butane.
This is all galvanized in high school,
It's
so don't touch
horsepower.
Now what are we? How are we still?
Action.
That last marshmallow. Fuck.
Oh, so it actually works?
That was a genuine reaction.
Oh my god, alright.
Did you get that?
Hey, we're recording, shut up!
Yeah, dude, this is just not working. Nope.
Oh fuck!
We can't act. See, this is the acting part. We can't act for the shit. So it's obvious, but just keep rolling it. Keep rolling. Usually, Austin uses these to light his cigarettes,
That's funny. That's funny.
but today I'm gonna be lighting his marshmallow.
There's a blooper.
So,
Action.
man, there's got to be a better way to do this. Why are you slipping on twisted tea? You don't need
Hold on.
twisted tea, right?
Hold on. Fuck, dude.
Yeah,
oh
you
my god, you started.
fucking alcoholic.
Oh fuck.
All right.
Remember, it's that last Marshall.
Fuck you. You ready? Yeah. That last marshmallow was pretty good, but I don't think it was good enough.
I've got an idea.
Ah, almost, dude.
I feel like I should have like a little headset and like a security.
He's making me laugh, dude.
He always fucking does this.
Are you recording right now? Behind the scenes of how we started our fire.
Some of you might ask, did we really eat these marshmallows? Of course we did. We just covered them in gasoline first.
ahead, Caleb. Show your face to the camera real quick.
What's up, dude?
He's a Terminator.
Oh, dude, I don't even think I got it.
Oh, shit. Beautiful. Fucking great, dude.
Action.
I was serious. I'm ignoring him. That might
Hey, can we
And you sound like a serial smoker.
can we get together, boys? I'm tired of these takes.
Oh God! Oh God!